We've looked at the concept of elasticity, and in an ideal world, we've considered that we want an inelastic product. So how do we get an inelastic product? This is one whereby we can increase the price without there being as big a decrease in the demand. I want to introduce you to three ways that you might consider doing this. Obviously, all three have pros and cons. The first one is developing a USP, a unique selling point for your particular product. This, of course, comes with extra costs and labour considerations. We have to develop something that is unique to our competitors. That means that customers can only come to us for that particular product or product feature. Therefore, we're able to charge a subsequently higher price for those customers who can only get whatever it is from us. The second one is reducing the level of competition that your business faces. There's a couple of different ways to do this. It could be potentially merging with a competitor. This, of course, takes out your competition and means, of course, that your customers have one less place to go to for their particular product. Of course, and we'll come into this in another video, as soon as you start gathering up market share through acquisitions, mergers and the like, you might attract attention from competition and markets authority. A third way of meaning that your product is inelastic is by making it a necessity. Once again, a couple of different ways of doing this. You could, in your customer's eyes, just make it a very trendy product. Of course, this means that you have to engage potentially different promotional or advertising methods, maybe engage influencers on social media, something like that. It might also be that you try and make it somewhat addictive in its nature. You want people coming back for more and more and more. That is another way to make a product inelastic.